Channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to change the background on Zoom application. Now I'm using Zoom for Android. It's supposed to be a similar method. If you are using iOS or iPhone, it's supposed to be a similar method. So what you have to do, I'm doing meeting with myself, which is no concurrent meeting, and then you just tap on your screen and then find on the very right here more option, and then as you can see there is an option of background effect over there. See, this is background effect. You just click on the background and effects, and then I'm able to change my background. For instance, I will change to this Monumental Bridge San Francisco background, and also this, what it call it, the stellar, or I don't know, or maybe some this random pics. And then also I can add more background by using any file on my phone. You just choose whatever you want, and then also I can change the background into none and then make it blur like this. It's blurry, it's more professional for me. And then also I can add video filters. For instance, I want to make it more pink like this, or just add some some frame like this. I think it's not really cool. I just put none, and then that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you did, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.